This video about the fundamental factorized by grouping. You can see for each question in this slide, you have 4 terms for each expression. And the first one, question A, x squared and 4x, and I will factorizing the common factor of the first two terms. Inside the bracket, you got x plus 4, and the common factor of the next two terms is a x plus 4 one more time, and the new common factor in this bracket, I will take it outside, x plus 4, and multiply with x plus a in here. For question B, you have the same idea. The first one, x will be outside for the first two terms, and the next two terms B will be a common factor, x plus 7, and x plus 7 will be the new common factor. X plus 7 here and x plus b will be here. The next one you got C. For the first two terms, x squared and 3x, x will be outside, x minus 3 and plus a, x minus 3 here, and x minus 3 multiply with x plus a like this one. Yeah, that is question 7. Question D. Okay, question D a little bit harder because you will work with negative number. The first one will be x and x plus 2. Then the next two terms I will make it a little bit more clearly. Minus a and multiply x is mean plus x. Minus 2 multiply a is mean plus a. Oh, sorry. I will choose the common factor is a, so minus a I will put it outside. And the new number inside the bracket here is plus 2. And the first one, you got the bracket is x plus 2, and then minus a will be the common factor. Inside the bracket, you got x and plus 2. After that, you will see the x plus 2 will be the common factor, x minus a will be here. Question E, the same idea, x will be outside, x plus 5. And minus b, you got x plus 5 one more time, because when I expand the second bracket, minus b times x equal to minus bx, minus b times plus 5 equal to minus b5, and then x plus 5 will be this one, and you got x minus b. Question F, you got 3 and you got x plus 3 and minus 4a, minus 4a times plus 8. How about minus 12? You got minus 4a and plus 3 here. X plus 3 will be this one. It is x minus 4a. You got x plus 3. And x plus 3 is new common factor. X minus 4a will be the second bracket. Question G. Question G a little bit harder. The first bracket will be x minus a, and how about the second one? I will put minus 4 outside. So when I write down minus 4 outside, I will rewrite plus 4a here in form of minus 4 multiply minus a, because plus here become 2, negative multiply negative. For the first bracket, I will keep it unchanged, and minus 4 will be outside. I got x minus a in the second bracket, and then I can see that x minus a will be the same. X minus 4 will be this one, so G will be my answer for this one. That is question G. And how about question H? I will rewrite it like x will be outside, x minus 2b, and minus 5 plus 10b, okay, equal to minus 5 multiply minus 2b. And after that, I take minus 5 outside the second bracket, x minus 2b in here, and then x minus 2b is the first bracket, and the second bracket is x minus 5. Question I. About question I. 3x squared minus this one. Okay, the first 3x squared minus 3x 2a minus 7x and plus 14a is minus 7, 2, and 8. The first bracket I can see the first common factor for these two brackets are these two terms. 3h will be outside, h will be here, and minus 2a. And minus 7 will be outside for this one. Here is minus 2a, sorry. Minus 7 is outside. The common factor will be here. Inside the bracket, you got h minus 2a. So after this step, I'm got h minus 2a is a new common bracket, and 3h minus 7 will be the second one.